Why can one tiny waterway move global energy prices overnight? Around 20% of the world's oil passes through one narrow shipping lane called the Strait of Hormuz, between Iran and Oman. That's millions of barrels of oil moving through a narrow space of a few dozen kilometers wide. So if something happens there, global energy markets immediately react. And we've seen this recently. When tensions around the strait escalated, oil prices jumped more than 10% in a few days, moving from roughly $70 to over $80 per barrel. Why? Because if tankers can't pass through Hormuz, a huge chunk of global supply could suddenly disappear. And the crazy part is, the market reacts even before supply is actually disrupted. Just the risk of losing that much oil moving through one choke point is actually enough to move prices worldwide. So energy systems aren't just about power plants and renewables, they're also about geopolitics.